December 2025 is shaping up to be one of the coldest, snowiest months the UK has seen in years. A weakened polar vortex and a developing La Niña are combining forces, bringing Arctic air and heavy snow across the country. Amber warnings for snow are likely, especially in Scotland, northern England, and higher ground in Wales, with significant accumulations even at lower levels. Expect major travel disruption, sub-zero temperatures, and dangerous ice, especially black ice, so it's time to prepare now. Over the next sections, we'll break down what to expect and how to stay safe during this challenging winter. As December begins, a powerful surge of Arctic air will sweep down from the north, marking the start of a dramatic shift in the UK's weather. This cold front will push aside milder conditions, replacing them with a biting chill that will be felt across the country. Daytime highs will struggle to rise above freezing in many areas, and overnight temperatures will plummet, leading to widespread, sharp frosts. The ground will quickly harden, and the air will feel noticeably crisper, making it essential to dress warmly and take extra care outdoors. Early in the month, Scotland and the hills of Wales are likely to see significant snowfall, with accumulations of 10 to 20 centimetres possible in higher elevations. Lower-lying areas may also see a dusting, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland. However, this beauty comes with danger. Ice will become a major hazard on roads and pavements nationwide, increasing the risk of slips, falls, and travel disruption. The coldest spell is expected in mid-December, when temperatures could drop as low as 7 degrees across much of the UK and plunge to a bone-chilling 15 degrees in the Scottish Highlands. These extreme lows will test heating systems and require extra precautions to protect vulnerable people and pets. During this period, blizzards and deep snowdrifts may develop, especially in rural and exposed areas, potentially cutting off some communities and making travel nearly impossible for days at a time. As Christmas approaches, a brief thaw could set in, causing some snow to melt and form icy puddles. But this respite will be short-lived, as cold air is expected to return quickly. Frost and ice will linger, especially overnight, and the chance of a white Christmas is higher than usual this year, with festive scenes likely in many towns and villages. Remember, this is not just a single storm, but a prolonged event that will unfold over several weeks. It's important to stay alert, monitor forecasts, and adapt your plans as the weather evolves, especially if you have travel or holiday commitments. Keep up with the latest Met Office updates, heed any weather warnings, and be prepared for ongoing disruption to transport and daily life right through the new year. Staying informed and ready will help you stay safe and make the most of this remarkable winter. Severe snow and ice will hit travel hard: roads, rail, air, and sea. As winter storms intensify, every part of our transport network faces significant challenges. The impact will be felt by millions, from daily commuters to families planning holiday journeys. Black ice and drifting snow could close major routes like the A66 and strand drivers. Even well-travelled roads may become impassable in a matter of hours. Emergency services may struggle to reach those in need, and traffic jams could last for hours in freezing conditions. Railways face frozen points and power cuts, risking widespread cancellations. Trains may be delayed or halted entirely, leaving passengers waiting in cold, exposed stations. Clearing snow and ice from tracks is a slow, difficult process, and disruptions can ripple across the entire network. Airports are bracing for delays and cancellations as de-icing slows operations, and runways may close if conditions worsen. Travellers could face long waits, missed connections, and sudden changes to their plans as airlines adjust schedules for safety. And ferry crossings may be rough or suspended. High winds and icy waters make sailing dangerous, and ports may close at short notice, leaving passengers stranded or forced to find alternative routes. If you're travelling, check for updates have a backup plan, and be prepared to postpone if conditions worsen. Pack essentials like warm clothing, food and water, and let someone know your route and expected arrival time. Patience and flexibility will be essential. Sometimes the safest choice is to stay put. Delays and cancellations are frustrating, but safety must come first, especially when conditions are unpredictable. Emergency services and transport operators are preparing, but disruption is inevitable. Crews are working around the clock to keep routes open, but even the best efforts can't prevent all delays. This December, travel only if necessary and always check the latest advice. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember that sometimes the best journey is the one you postpone until the storm has passed. Preparation is key. Start with a home emergency kit. Taking a few simple steps now can make all the difference when unexpected events strike. Gather your family and talk through what you might need if you had to stay home for several days or if you lost power or heat. Make sure you have at least 3 days' worth of food and water for everyone in your household, including pets. Choose non-perishable items that are easy to prepare and store. Don't forget a torch with spare batteries, a power bank for your phone, a well-stocked first aid kit, and warm blankets to keep everyone comfortable if the heating goes out. Ready your car for winter too. Check your tyres for good tread. Make sure your battery is in good condition and top up antifreeze to prevent freezing. Always keep your fuel tank at least half full, so you're not caught out if you need to travel unexpectedly or if fuel supplies are disrupted. Pack a winter car emergency kit with a shovel, grit or cat litter for traction, a tow rope, extra blanket, hot drink in a flask, and some snacks. These items can be lifesavers if you get stuck or stranded. Use official sources like the Met Office app to stay updated on weather warnings and changing conditions. And check National Rail or other official travel services for real-time updates. Don't rely on rumours or social media, which can be inaccurate. Before any journey, check road and rail conditions. And always heed advice to avoid non-essential travel if warnings are in place. A simple checklist for your home kit helps you stay organised and ensures nothing is forgotten. Keep your car kit and reliable information sources close at hand, so you're always ready to respond quickly. Review backup plans with your family. Know what to do if you're separated, and agree on a meeting point or way to stay in touch. Sensible preparation now means you and your family can face the coming weeks with confidence, peace of mind, and the knowledge that you're ready for whatever winter brings. Power cuts are likely, so have candles, matches, and a battery radio ready. Know how to turn off your water to prevent burst pipes. Outside, ice is the main danger. Use shoe grips, walk carefully, and dress in layers for warmth and safety. Treat paths and driveways with grit, clear snow early, and avoid overexertion when shoveling. Check on elderly or vulnerable neighbours. Help with shopping or clearing paths can make a big difference. Keep enough medication on hand and use NHS 111 for non-emergencies. Simple steps at home and in your community will keep everyone safer and warmer. This winter's severity is driven by a weakened polar vortex, sudden stratospheric warming, and a southward shifted jet stream, all funneling Arctic air to the UK. A developing La Niña in the Pacific is also increasing the odds of prolonged cold by blocking milder Atlantic air. Climate change may be making these extreme cold snaps more frequent, even as average temperatures rise. The result? A rare combination of global factors delivering a sustained, intense winter. Understanding these drivers helps explain why this December will be so challenging. Met Office warnings come in yellow, amber, and red. Each signals a different level of risk. Yellow means be aware. Amber means be prepared for significant disruption and consider changing your plans. Red is rare and signals immediate danger. Avoid all travel and follow emergency advice. Warnings are based on both likelihood and impact, so pay close attention to updates for your area. Take every warning seriously. It's your best tool for staying safe and making smart decisions. Understanding these alerts helps you act quickly and protect yourself and your family. While this winter will be tough, preparation and community spirit can turn anxiety into resilience. Check on neighbors, share resources, and look out for the vulnerable. Small acts of kindness matter. If you're ready and cautious, you can still enjoy the beauty of winter, snowy landscapes, family time, and even a snowball fight or two. Stay informed, adapt your plans, and focus on safety first. Together, we can face December 2025 with confidence, care, and hope. Stay safe, stay warm, and make the most of the season.